Hello guys, I welcome you once again to our virtual platform. Thank you very much for being with us this far. I hope you have enjoyed our lessons so far. In case you are new to the channel, I am Ernest Ejekun, your facilitator. You can like this video and also share. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Okay, let us see what we have on the plate today. Without wasting much time, let us take a recap of what we are doing. For the past 2 or 3 weeks, we have been treating collecting and handling data. We looked at the sources of data. We said we can get data from the days of the week on which peoples were born. We can count the number of textbooks used in each subject. We can count the number of exercise books in a cupboard, and we can even measure the height of pupils in a class. We looked at some examples where we said in a class a teacher asked the pupils to tell the day on which they were born, and then we got the following results. Then we organized the data. Okay, we organize the data like this. Okay, we organize the data and then we use it to answer questions. Very good. And then the previous week we considered some assignment. I believe you really enjoyed my gift for you, my assignment. You know, it's quite simple, but all you needed to do was to be critical in analyzing your answers. What I am saying is you have to consider whatever you are doing wisely before you put anything down. Okay, then so that was where we ended. Today we are continuing our lesson, and then we are looking at representing data as a simple block graph. Representing data as a simple block graph. It means the information that we've had or the data that we've organized over the previous lessons. Today we are going to look at how we can be able to represent it on a block graph. That is, we can organize the data in the form so that it can be like this. Very good. So you can see the block graph here. Very good. So we can represent the information we gather in various ways. It can be in the form of graph as shown below. So all we are going to do today is we are going to look at how to draw the big man in the previous scene. I mean this big man. Yes, you can see he's very big, strong and energetic. We are going to see how we'll be able to draw him. Okay, it's very simple. All you need to do is to follow me. Open your eyes, follow me, and then I will walk you through it. In a matter of time you will be done and you will be out of here. Okay, so if you want to draw a block graph, how do we need to know? First, we need to remember that you need a data before you can draw a graph. It means you need something that you are going to input in whatever you are going to draw. In other words, you cannot draw a graph without any information. So let us look at some of the data we met in our previous lesson. I believe you remember this. This is from our very first lesson. And then it had to do with the age of pupils in class. You remember we organized it, review our tally, and then the number of children. Okay, let's move on. So we are going to represent this information in a graph or in a graph form to show which numbers occurred which number of times. So you remember that in the information we have some of the days coming more than, almost all the days coming more than once. So you can see Saturday 2 from bottom, I mean Saturday 2, Friday 2, Thursday 5, Wednesday 2, Tuesday 4, Monday 2, and Sunday 3. So we are looking at how many times each of the days occurred. And then our graph should have a vertical line and a horizontal line. So a vertical line is a line that moves from top to down. Okay, I want you to get your pencil and your ruler and quickly draw in your jotter some vertical lines. We are saying vertical lines are lines that come from top, or that descend from top to down, or from down to top. So we can have a vertical line like this. Okay, so that's a vertical line. We can also have another vertical line. Okay, this is quite inclined. It should be straight. Okay, so this is also another vertical line. So this is a vertical line. So our graph should have one line like this. Okay, then so we get a ruler. That is what we have already done. We get a ruler, and then we draw a vertical line. So you get your ruler and then you draw your vertical line. Draw it nicely, please. Do not draw double lines. Make sure your ruler is straight. Okay, then you draw the line from one point to another. Let it be very nice. Let it be very decent. I am begging you. Don't draw any crooked line or any painting, any double lines for me. Let's move on. Then, so now we have our vertical line. Next, we draw a horizontal line to meet our vertical line. A horizontal line moves from left to right, or from right to left. So just as we drew the vertical line, let us get our ruler and then pencil and draw our horizontal line. So horizontal line, we are saying we are going to draw a horizontal line. Okay, so it's a line that moves from left to right like this, or it can also move from right to left. So left to right or right to left. This is a horizontal line, and we are saying that the horizontal line that we draw should meet. Okay, so you get a ruler and a pencil and draw any line from the right to join the end of your vertical line. So you can see the end of your vertical line here. Okay, you can see the end of your vertical line here, and we are going to draw a line from the right. Okay, this is the right side, so that it will meet, or it will join this one here. So that is what we are going to do. You get your ruler, you put it, make sure it is straight, then you draw your line to meet. Okay, mine didn't meet, but I can shift it a little bit upwards. Okay, so this is my horizontal line, this is my vertical line. There we go. We are saying call the place they meet. Okay, so you have to call the place that they meet, the two lines, the place that they meet, you have to call it 0 or write 0, and you can see my 0 here. So at the edge here, okay, you write 0 there. Okay, have you done it? Have you been able to do it? Okay, let's make progress. Then we are going to calibrate. I believe you remember calibration or calibrate from the topic taking measurement or drawing measurement. You remember we said the ruler has a calibration, that is marks that show which number has been counted, or that helps us to count. So that's what we are going to do. So you get your ruler, and then you can say maybe you put a ruler on the vertical line. Okay, so what you are going to do is, let's say every 1 centimeter mark you put a dot there. Okay, so you put your ruler here. Okay, every 1 centimeter mark you put a dot there. Okay, you are counting seven dots. When you make 7 dots, then you draw a short dash through them as I have done here. Okay, so you draw some, we want 7, so 0, then you can see my first, the second one, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Very good. So we are saying that we are to draw the marks on the vertical line. It should be the marks according to the number of children, and the number of children, we know that it is we have the least to be 2 here and the highest to be 5. The least to be 2 and the highest to be 5. Okay, now why 7? Because we are saying 7 because when you are counting the numbers, you know that 0 to 7, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you can see that you have 2, the number 2 within the ring, that is 0 to 7, and then you have the highest mark, which is 5. So the lowest mark on the table is 2, and this is our 2. Okay, this is our 2. Then this is the highest 5. So you can see we have excess of 2, right? Okay, so that is very good. So the calibrations that you did, you number. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. That is it. Okay. Let's move on, please. Next, the next thing we are going to do is we are going to draw heights. Okay, it means we are going to draw a line from here upwards, a line from here upwards. So you put your ruler, and just as you did for here, over here, or you did over here, you have to repeat the same thing. You put your ruler, make sure the 0 mark is on the edge of your of the vertical and the horizontal lines. Make sure you don't mistake. Please take note of it. It is very important. Okay, so now from 0 to 1 is 1 centimeter. You are going to indicate it with a dot, so you put a dot here. Okay, from 0 to 1 you put a dot here to indicate it. Okay, then from 1 to 2 you put another dot. From 2 to 3 you put another dot. 3 to 4 a dot. 4 to 5 a dot. 5 to 6 a dot, and then 6 to 7 a dot, and we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Why 7? 7 because in our case here we use the days of the week, and the days of the week are 7. They are 7. Okay. Let's move on, please. So now we have our lines here, our dots. What you are going to do is, wherever you see a dot, you are going to draw a line upwards. And you are not just going to draw a line. Okay, you are not just going to draw the line. You are going to draw the line that corresponds or that matches to any number that was attained by the days of the week. So we can see here that let me put the ruler back. Okay, let me bring my ruler back so that you can see. Okay, so my ruler is here. It is not straight, don't worry, I will straighten it. Okay, so you can see my ruler. Okay, now we are going to draw. So you pick your pencil again. Then your ruler with a dot that you made. Remember you made a dot. Okay, remember you made a dot. So the dot that you made here, you made a dot here. Do you remember? Okay, I am just indicating with this. Now you straighten your ruler. Okay, vertically, you straighten your ruler vertically. You straighten your ruler vertically here like this, and you are going to draw a line, okay, that will match to that of the first day, Sunday. So Sunday is 3. Okay, you can see Sunday here, it is 3. So you are going to draw a height of 3, or you are going to draw 3 steps upwards or 3 steps vertically. Okay, so your pencil, and then you draw 3. Okay, so 3. When you finish, okay, you draw another one to cross it horizontally, and it should be like this. Okay, it should be like this. Okay, so that is what we are going to do for the rest. We are going to repeat the same thing for the rest. Okay, the rest of the days. Let me get my ruler from here because mine is already straight. Okay, so this is for Sunday. Let us draw another one for Monday. Monday, you remember you have your dot, so you draw it. Monday had 2, so 2 should be here. Okay, so you can see the 2 here. Okay, then you draw another one to cross like this. Okay, then the next one is Tuesday. Tuesday had 4, so Tuesday, I'm going to draw my Tuesday, my line for, remember, here. So Tuesday 4. Okay, 4. Then I draw another one to cross it. First of all, I will not just draw. I have to make sure I have maybe. Okay. Then I cross it. Okay, so that is for Tuesday. Then I go to Wednesday. Wednesday is also 2. So it means I am drawing 2. I am drawing 2. Then I draw another one to cross it. Okay. Okay. I believe you are enjoying it. Okay, let's keep enjoying. Then we go to Thursday. Thursday is 5. So for Thursday, I pick my ruler. I draw 5 steps upwards. So 5 steps upwards. Then I draw another one here because I have to cross it. And if I don't get a line here, this line, whatever I'm going to draw wouldn't be straight. So you project and then you cross it and then you go. I believe you are enjoying. Are you following? Are you following? Okay, so in case you need a reminder or you need help, okay, in case you need help, okay, remember we did it like this. Okay, we said we were going to put with the dot that we made from the previous slide or the previous scene. We drew one vertical line and the line was for Sunday. So Sunday 3, it went 3 upwards, then we crossed it. Then we came to Tuesday, we came to Monday, then we repeated the steps. Tuesday we repeated the steps. Then Wednesday, okay, then Thursday. I believe you are okay. Very good. So then you finish drawing your you finish drawing your line. Okay, finish drawing all the lines very nicely. Okay, very nicely. Yeah, there we go. Very good. So you can see it here. Okay, you can see it here. Now we are done drawing. We are done with the drawing. You can decide to color or paint with whichever color you want. Okay, sorry, you can decide to color or just draw strokes, okay, up and down or shade, but make sure whatever you are doing is very neat and very attractive. I am begging you, make sure what you are doing is very neat and attractive. Okay, it is left with one thing that we are supposed to do, that is naming the boxes. You can see that here we have number of children, and the number of children, you can see it here. Okay, so we have our number of children here, and that is supposed to be written on the vertical lines. That is supposed to be written on the vertical lines. Okay, then the days of the week, the name of the days will be written under the boxes that we have drawn. So it means we are going to draw the days of the week here. Okay, so here we are going, this is going to be for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sorry. I started from Monday, but it's supposed to start from Sunday. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. We are going to write the names under them, and there we go. Okay. So this is Monday. Can write Monday. Okay. Yeah, for Monday. Okay. Then we have Tuesday. We come to Wednesday. So Wednesday. Then we come to no, this is Sunday. So Sunday, Monday, then we go to Tuesday. Okay, so Tuesday, then we go to Wednesday. Okay, so Wednesday. We go to Thursday. We go to Friday. And finally Saturday. Okay, so you can see that Sunday has 3, right? Let us go to the table and see if Sunday has 3. Oh, there you go, amazing. So you can see the 3 here. Monday 2. Let us visit our graph and see if Monday really has. So Monday 2 over here. Okay, so soon we have come to the end of the class. Remember, we learned to draw and we learned to represent data, okay, as a simple block graph. Okay, so we looked at an example, and then we looked at vertical and horizontal lines, okay, how to draw and how to even draw the calibrations, how to plot the graphs or how to draw the height or the boxes, and how to also do the naming. Okay, I want you to take a minute to look at it. So when you are drawing, you have your number of children here, and then you have your days here. Okay. So the assignment I have for you is simple. Whatever you have done so far, I want you to follow the steps to draw a simple graph for this information. I believe you have it for this information. Yeah. Okay. So you follow the steps that we have treated today, and you draw the graph in your exercise book for me. I shall look at it the next time we meet. And here I said you can paint it. You can decide to color it. So let's say I'll color this one. Color. Okay, let us use any color at all. So you can see blue. Okay, then this one, let's see, I'll color this one with that is mine. You can use any color at all. You can even use pencil to see it throughout. Okay, you can use pencil to see it throughout. Okay. So today I am using the presentation for this week, or PowerPoint. So there you go. Okay. Thank you very much, guys. This is where we end the class today. See you same time next week. Bye bye.